How to turn off message delivered tick marks on Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just go ahead and open up Messenger. And let me show you how this delivered tick marks looks like. Now, as you can see on this message right here at the bottom, it has a blue tick mark or check mark at the bottom right. This means that the message has been delivered to this person right here, as Messenger tells us. However, this person has not seen it yet. Now, if this message has not been delivered, as you can see the second message right here, it has a transparent tick mark or check mark at the bottom right, and it means that this message has been sent and it's not has been yet delivered to this person. And you know all that the as you can see, the first message, it has been seen, which we all know, like it shows you a profile picture of the person at the bottom right corner, which means that that person has seen your message. Now, how can we turn off this blue message tick marks for you? Meaning that when people send you messages, they will not get this blue check mark at the bottom right, which indicates that this message has not been delivered to you. They will only get this sent message right here. They will get a transparent check mark. Now the process is very easy and simple. The first thing that you can do is which is optional, is to not open the Messenger app, because if you open the Messenger app, then this will indicate that the message has been delivered to you. However, if you do not want to do that, what you can do is another option which may or may not work for you. It works in most cases. However, for some people it does not work, and I really don't know why does that happen. So what you need to do is you need to click on the three lines at the top right left corner, and then click on the settings gear icon, and here click on active status, and you just need to turn off your active status depending on which you period you want. Say for example, I'm going to choose a random one. And what this will do for most of you is it will not indicate that the message has been delivered to you, and people will only get this transparent check mark that indicates that the message has been sent. However, as I said, if you want to get rid of this delivered blue check mark so people do not get it, you just don't have to open the app. If you don't open it, it will not indicate that the message has been delivered. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable the message delivered blue tick marks or check marks on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.